So you are watching Devlooper, and in this video I will teach you how to create this using Probuilder. So in this tutorial I will teach you all the basics of Probuilder. So let's start without any hesitation. So first of all, we have to open the package manager window. If you have not opened it yet, then open it. So there you will have to search for Probuilder, not post processing. Okay, then install it. I've already installed it. Did you hear that? So that's why I have this remove button. So I'm going well. You don't have the remove button. Yeah, so install it and you will have a remove button there instead of install button. I have the released Probuilder version. Yeah, I'm using latest. So click on the tools. Click on tools. Yeah, and now click on Probuilder and open this Probuilder window. It will pop up a new window. So if you don't have that, then don't worry. Okay, now you can dock this anywhere or make it floating window. Like if I put it there or put it there, where you like, put it where you like if I put it here, but I like to put it near the console window so I can get no errors. So there are two modes, icon mode and a text mode, but I professionally like icon mode because it looks professional. Yeah, so I recommend the icon mode. It's a little bit difficult, but not that much difficult. This is used for new window. Okay, see this new shape. Yeah, new shape. You can click this plus or just go to the icon window and alt click this. Alt, hold, then click. Right click. You understand? Then size it. Now follow my what I have written. Write these. Okay. So write 10 by 10. 10 on the X, 10 on the Z, and 1 on the Y will be right. Okay. So now click the build button there and close this window and see the cube, see the magic, see this, man. We have a cube. The texture is looking great because see this is a default cube and this is a Probuilder cube. See this default cube. If I size it saying 10 by 10 and then add this texture that I've created, this material, this is a checker material. Let me import it. So I'm not getting the move tool. Why I'm not getting the move tool? Okay, leave it. I'll do this with these. So now let me add the material to it. I have this material. Now you can see the difference. You can see the difference between a default cube and a Probuilder cube. So I recommend use Probuilder rather than a default cube. So let me exchange materials and show you what it does. So if I throw this cube material that I named for cube on the Probuilder and the Probuilder of cube, then I have to set the tiling manually for it. So see, the Probuilder is working great with it, but I haven't set any tiling for Probuilder, did I? No. So this is a default cube and you can see the tiling, it's stretching and it's stretching creepy, isn't it? So through this material and change the tiling manually. Yeah, this is the hardest part ever. Write 10 by 10, not 5 by 5. 10 by 10. You can see we got the same material, but if I show you the sides of this cube, these are stretched. These are weirdly stretched. So I recommend use Probuilder. This is not a sponsored video. So use Probuilder only. See the sides, man, of the Probuilder cube sides. You can see these are not straight. So if you are having these material issues, you can use Probuilder. You won't get any UV texture error, default flowery. So you won't get any kind of these errors. So why is he not showing me? See, if I resize it, then the tiling got interrupted. So what we have to do, how will we make it big, man? So just click on the faces and then select the face and extrude it. I mean, just move it forward. Yeah, if you press and hold shift, then move, then it will extrude. If you have used Maya or Blender, you know what is extrude. So it will extrude the faces. See this, and the tiling is not interrupted a bit. The sides, the upper part, the lower part, everything is good. So this I made a slide because I didn't press and hold shift to make it like this. But what is this? We have to create a house. Yeah, what is this, man? Okay, so let it be like this, and these should be equal, and you can see the error because I didn't press and hold the shift button. So press and hold the shift button and you will get it here. I'm trying to match these both edges. I forgot to turn on snaps. So to snap, you have to press and hold control, then move. Else you will be in trouble like me. So I think it's equal now, but I think there is a little bit more issue. See this? So I have to make this more little bit more down. So select this little bit more down, and it's not working. Let me make it more up. Something like this will be good. Now it's time to create a wall for our house, and to create the wall we have to first add a edge loop in it. So first select the edge selection mode, then select two edges and press Alt plus U. Select two edges, Control plus select one and select two, then press Alt plus U and you will get this edge. Now take this edge here and extrude the face. So go to the face selection mode again. You see the wall width is great now. So go there and shift plus move up. Yeah, so you can see this wall, but we have to make our character or player go through this wall. So I have to create a doorway between this wall. So for this I have to select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. I can do that by just selecting two edges also. Press Alt U to get this, and then I will move it a bit there. Let me reselect it like this, or you can do this like this. Just select these two middle edges. One this. Press Alt U and you get the edge loop there. Then move it down to here where your door will be. So it's looking great now. Now select the face and shift press and up. Now you see our wall is there and we have a character move place. So now we can move our character. Now it's time for other wall. So don't extrude the edge because it won't. You can only extrude the faces. So again create a wall like before and select these both faces and shift plus move up. Select this shift plus move up to get a wall like this. So I have to match the size. So first of all I would like to create the back wall together also. So select these edges, press Alt U. It's a mistake. So select these both edges and press Alt U and you get it there. Now move it to the end wall position and then just go to the face selection mode and select this face and this face and the other face and press and hold shift and go up. It will extrude more till it reaches the other wall and there. Now all walls are equal and the texture is amazing. Probuilder is of too much help for the textures. So you can also adjust UVs in Probuilder. So you can see we got a room for our house and this is big, but we are missing some things like stairs, roof. So first of all let's add a stair. So hold shift and move a little bit up and then you get two faces there. This one and this one. Now press and hold shift and go to left other wall and you see we got, but it's little bit missing. Now it's equal. So it's still looking kind of weird because this wall is left behind. Let me make it down. It will just shift down. No, it won't work. So let's add roof to it. Why shouldn't we add roof to it? So just click this face of roof, the front face, not this one, front one, this one. Now shift plus move forward. Shift plus move forward. Now you get it like this. Now we have to add a wall, else player can fall down. So I'll move it a bit backward, and then, but this, if I do this, then player cannot enter, because the wall will become more thick and the doorway will become more and more narrow. So we want it wide. So do this, then hold down the shift button and extrude this face, move it up, move it a little bit up. Now you see this, but this layout is kind of not looking good. So select this face, undo it, not this. Select all the faces of sides, this one, down one, this one, and this one, and this one. Press and hold shift or else move, don't hold shift, just move them. This will work for us. Now save the scene. I named the scene as tutorial house or tutorial pro. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So first select these 3 faces and move them forward, and then see your doorway, it's kind of narrow, so make this backward a bit, and see this, the upper face is becoming weird. So see this creepy face. So first undo this and then control Z to undo. Okay, then select these both and move them backward using the Z arrow, blue arrow. Now this thickness, this wideness I think is good, or player can move across it, make it a little bit more narrow. This will be perfect. Now select this and this face. Now move them forward like this. Shift then move will be good like this. So we have our doorway, and you can see the tiling, the textures, the room. So Probuilder help us create this type of room in just 10 minutes. Means I took 10 minutes because I'm recording a tutorial, else it was fast. So import the first person character. I have given the link below in description. It will be free, but I recommend use the standard assets FPS controller, because this one really sucks. Yes, I made a backup. Go ahead. I'm just forgot to made a backup, but don't worry. Wait, my PC is too slow. Wait, it's too fast. Yeah, it's imported. So these FPS imported. Open it. Open the prefabs folder. Drag and drop the player outside, and move the player up a bit because it's downward. So the move tool is not being selected. Don't know why. What happened? So yeah, I'm in the face mode and I need to be in object mode to select things. So I'm in object mode now. Click this button to get in object mode. So now make it up a bit. So now the player is working perfectly. So let's test if it really works perfectly. So delete the main camera first and then go to the game view, press play, and here we are in the game. So why is everything dark here? I have a light, directional light in the scene, then everything is dark. Oh yeah, I forgot to bake the lightnings, so sorry for that. Now let me bake the lightnings. Fuse, this is another gun. Fuse, windows, rendering, lightning, auto generate, and boom, everything's white again. Now let's see if everything works perfectly. Yeah, lightning fixed. So let's go in the room and check if it's working great. So the room looks kind of cool, but our player really sucks. Yeah, it's short. The player is too short, way too short. See how big is that wall? So let's build some stairs so we can go to that roof. So Alt click there and click stairs and reset the position of stair preview. Now move it to the position where you want it. So I want it to be on the opposite direction of, on the side of this door frame. So rotate it on the X90, sorry, on the Y as -90. So -90. Now again position it where you want. A little bit there. Yeah, it's good position. So the stair is small, so we have to make it big. Yeah, we have to make it a little bit more big. So let's change the height first. So make the step 17 and change the curvature should be same. Just change the height to 4.2 or something. Yeah, this one is good. Now the width should be same. Just change the depth of this stairs. I think this will be good. It's working for me good. So if you also need this type of stair, then you can follow my steps. So the stair is there. Let's change the material of this stair. So see if it matches. So see this. This is a magic of Probuilder. So the material is not interrupting and the tiling is coming up a bit better than the other stairs because this is Probuilder. Let's test our stairs, and they are there, but they are big and I have to jump up to climb because our player is small. So you don't have to follow this step, but I'm doing this because my player is small. So I recommend using standard first person controller rather than this, and I recommend not using scale property in the Probuilder cubes or other things. Just make the faces small so the tiling won't be disrupted, but I'm using it because I have to test it. So let's play again, and the player, let's see if it works. So the height becomes normal and the stairs are looking good. Let's climb. I have to still jump to climb, else I cannot climb up. So this player really sucks, as I said. So try to use that standard assets player. The roof is large enough, yeah, and the textures are amazing. Oh, my player dropped from the top. Let's climb again, and I'm going down. Pick me up. Hey, anybody? Okay, so there was no one to help me. So this is our player. It's small in size, I don't know why. So leave it there. Let's make a door frame. So go to the Probuilder window. Wait, yeah, first we need a window. So select this edge and press Alt U. Again do that same, and we have two edges now. So select this edge and this edge, press Alt U to get a loop cut between them. So again press these same, Alt U to get a loop cut again between them. So now remove the face, select the face and press backspace to remove. Select this, press backspace. Now select this edge and this edge, press Alt B. Yeah, so now select this face, this edge and this edge. Now press Alt B to bridge the faces like this one. So press Alt B and done. Now select Alt B there, done. Again Alt B and it's done. Sorry, I forgot to select that edge. Now the window is done. Now we need the door frame only. So go to the Probuilder window, Alt click this and select door. Now reset the position. Now position it where you want it to be. So I want it to be on the door's place. So I can add the door frame first, then we can add the door. So first we need a door place. So let me rescale them to 1. So I got no interruption between them, the sizes. So select this door again, move it a bit up and rotate it to 90 degrees Y. It's good enough now, I think. Yeah, it's good now. So let me write a proper value, 90. Now move it forward. It's there, move it down a bit. Now let's move it not scaling, but to change this from the preview. It's a preview, so we can change it from here, the properties of it. So follow my properties if you are following my tutorial fully. So follow my properties there, something like that. It's big enough now and the depth is good also. This height should be great. Make it a little bit more smaller so it fits the roof, and the height should be like something more low. Yeah, this would be great. Now this should be a bit like that. So build it now and close this window. Attach this material to it and move it back so you can see how it looks. I think it's not looking good for now. Select these faces, move them backward. Now these are not extruding backward, and if I do this, then the upper face is just going weird. So first let's add faces to the door frame. Let me rename the doors material so we can see it clearly, and change the albedo of the doors material to a bit more gray, something like this, so we can see our door. So this is our door, it's inside the wall, I don't know why. So scale it a little bit down and on the x-axis. So I don't think scaling will be good because it will make our material look weird. So you have to do this from the settings properties, but I am scaling it for now. So move it back a bit, something like there. Yeah, this will be good. So we can see through the door, and that's not good. So disable these two and select the door. Let's bridge some faces. Select this edge and this edge, press Alt B to bridge. Then select this edge and this edge to Alt B to build. This and this first, so Alt B, and there's something more left, so this and this, then press Alt B. This and this, Alt B. This and this edge, Alt B. Do this for all the edges that face each other. So this, Alt B. So we did everything. Now all faces are bridged. Enable these so we can see clearly. Now go to the object move and make it left a bit. That will be good, and now you can see it's fitting the walls clearly. Select this face and the upper face and move them in a bit so they might not hit the wall. Yeah, something like this. So we have the door frame. It's not perfect, but it's good for the beginner tutorial. So I think this door frame should work for it. So let's test it and see what we get. So now we have a window, a door frame, a stair, a room, and floor and roof. So let's climb the stairs, the window, and jump, and I cannot go forward. So let's crouch and then go. So crouch and then go. Yeah, now I can go forward. So it's working great. Again, let's try. It's fun to have that. So yeah, I'm in the room now. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more. Leave a like behind.